Where the fuck is my mail? Hey Dave, hey, it's me Carla. I know you're probably busy delivering mail and stuff,
What do you mean, delivery?
but I have a really important problem.
I think you have the wrong number.
No, you have the wrong number. I live at 4400 Massachusetts Avenue Northwest, Cassell Hall. I've been waiting for like 57 days. 57 days. What happens a half hour or less? I've been hungry for a century.
Look, I don't know how to help you. I'm not a mailman, and I don't deliver pizza.
Cut the crap, Dave. I need my pizza.
My name isn't Dave.
That is not the issue at hand here, Dave. You are missing the point. The point is, I went down to my mailbox and there was no pizza in it. What do you have to say for yourself, Dave?
Okay, I'm hanging up now.
No, Dave, no. We can fix this. Don't leave me. We can fix this with love and pizza. Oh, shit, Dave. I'm getting another call. But we're not done with this. Hello?
Hi, Carla. Your pizza is here. I am standing outside of your building.
Oh, I'm gonna need you to put that pizza in my mailbox.